After hearing Mr. Badshah and Mr. Yadav take extreme positions and equally valid maybe, and Bidisha's middle of the ground approach, I would like to take the argument a bit further. And let's look at how companies which don't engage in arguments really or in discussions, they get the jobs done rather. And it's again a middle of the ground kind of approach. It's not either or and or. It's not either or, it's either and or actually. It's a bouquet of services they take. What suits them the best, they move ahead. And these companies also see what's the right technology for them at the right price. And of course, it has to fit in with their business model. If it doesn't fit in with their business model, they would rather have business model around it if it is viable and build a business case around it. Let's take a few examples how some companies, let's look at today's issues like energy, for example. In solar energy, one of the basic technologies is using IT for enabling mirrors to track sun. Now, these are very basic technologies which are being used, which may be cheaply available or they may be freely available. In water, for example, in leakages, water management, leakages can be detected by IT technology. Now, it's a very cheap and very user-friendly technology, and it doesn't really cost a bomb. Similar in agriculture, we see in drip irrigation how IT is being used to manage the natural resource like water. And then these companies further build on these with maybe patented technologies or licensed technologies, and it is a bouquet of services. One technology is not a solution for all, and so it doesn't have to come from open source or free source or from proprietary really. The point I'm trying to make here is that there are already patents which are sitting out in the open, which are freely available. For example, Global Innovation Commons lists around thousands of technologies, patents, which are available of free of cost, not because they are obsolete, but because they have not been renewed or their patents have expired, or maybe they are available for use in one country and not in another country. So the idea is to make the best use of what is easily available and then build on it and maybe not get really stuck in open source or proprietary kind of, the end result is very important really. And the moment we locate this debate within a rights-based context, it gets more convoluted actually. If rights-based approach helps us, okay, take it. If it doesn't help us, so there's no point in taking something which obstructs what we want to do eventually. So that's the only point I want to make, is that it's a question of what suits you at a particular point of time and take it forward and build on it further. Thanks.